When the problem will start, nobody will be able to rescue you. If you think you have security, your security will not be able to save you. They will get to, even themselves, they will run for their life at that time. Good day to all my viewers around the world. I am doing this special video to address some issues, especially things that are happening in our country called Nigeria at the moment. You know, recently there have been rumors, there have been speculations that the IPOBs, the Biafrans, had the people killing people in the southeast part of Nigeria. And many of our people are also believing this narrative. That is the most painful part. But, there's no way lies will go for years. For even though the lies goes for hundreds of years, one day the truth will caught up with it. And now the truth has caught up with this. Okay? What am I trying to say? If you all have seen the video of a primate, is it a prelate that was kidnapped recently and was just released after the ransom has been paid? He said something in that video I watched. He said these people who kidnapped him were all Fulanis. And he stated that they said they want to get more money, and after getting a lot of money, they are going to buy more weapons so that they can take over the Igbo land. So, if you have sense in your brain and you can reason, you will know that these people who has been committing atrocities in the southeastern part of the country are not the Igbos themselves. Those are the Fulanis who are ready to take over Nigeria by force. And let me warn everybody, especially my Yoruba people. I'm also a Yoruba man. Don't think that these people are going to attack only the Igbo land alone. They are coming to the Yoruba land as well. In fact, I saw a video yesterday, and in that video was a population, a crowd of the Northerners, the Hausas or the Fulanis in combined in Lagos, somewhere in Lagos. They said, according to what I heard about that video, is they are planning for, they are having a meeting against next week. And if you see the number of people, I'll also put that video here so that you can see. If you also did not see the number of people in that video, the number of Hausa and Fulani in that video, you'll be baffled. This is to tell you that these people have taken over every nook and cranny of the southwestern part of Nigeria and the southeastern part of Nigeria. And they are only waiting for the best time to take to start their action. So it's now the right time. It's now the right time for everybody in that country to rise up. Be you a politician, be you an artist, what do you call it, celebrity, whatever you are in that country, it is time for you to speak up. I know everybody is much focusing attention on the election coming up, but I can tell you for free, many people will not even live to see that election if care is not taken. Because what is going to happen between now and that next year, in fact, before the end of this year, what will happen now, only God knows how terrible it's going to be. But I can tell you, something is cooking. Before the end of this year, something is cooking. So if you think you love yourself and you love your people, if you know you have something in power, you better stand up now. You are hearing people shouting that they should break up Nigeria. You are doing as if it doesn't concern you. But I tell you, it concerns you. When the problem will start, when the problem will start, nobody will be able to rescue you. If you think you have security, your security will not be able to save you. They will get to, even themselves, they will run for their life at that time. So if you think you are still safe now, that's why you don't want to contribute. Now the man that was kidnapped, had to be rescued with the sum of 100 million naira. 100 millions of naira. That is how much they used to rescue that man. What if they could not provide that money within the space of time given? What will happen to that man? He's an aged man. What will have happened to that man? What if it's your family member that was kidnapped? If they even demanded for 10 million naira, can you provide it as soon as possible? So if you know you cannot afford to, pay for ransom, it's better you begin to do what is right now. See, if you are a Yoruba person, make sure you are supporting the agitation for Yoruba nation now. If you are an Igbo person, increase your agitation for Biafra nation now. If you are from Arewa, make sure now they have killed almost the Hausas in the north. They are almost gone. They've almost finished the Hausas in the north. And now many of the villages in the northern part of Nigeria has been occupied by Fulani people. Because Fulani believe that they are the owners of Nigeria and they want to take over Nigeria by force. Already, tactically, they have taken over Nigeria. It's not just obvious to many people. Because almost every important position in Nigeria now is occupied by a Fulani man. Quote me anywhere. Quote me anywhere. They are occupying go and check every important. I don't want to mention their positions. If you go to the army, the navy, every position in Nigeria, showing you that very soon, you as a southerner or a westerner or easterner, you will not have any chance again in that country. You can see what they played Tinubu. You can see what they are playing. What's this man called from the east? Peter Obi. You can see what they are doing to all of them. Jenny Momodu too. You can see what they are doing to them. That's to tell you that there's no chance for anybody again except the Fulanis in Nigeria. So if you like yourself, start your agitation now. If you have not joined the agitation for the segregation of Nigeria, it is time for you to start agitating now, because that is the only thing that will save all of us. If you love yourself and you love your race and you don't want to go into extinction, it is time for everybody to begin to. If you are still, advocating for a better Nigeria, I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you, because before you were born, your fathers have been agitating for a better Nigeria. But have you gotten a better Nigeria now? In a country where you cannot get a stable electricity for a whole 60 years. 60 years, they cannot even provide you electricity. Not good roads. No healthcare system. When your politicians are sick, your pastors are sick, they have to fly them abroad to go and take medical care. Is those things not possible in Nigeria? What do those countries have that Nigeria doesn't have, even in folds? Why do they still have to be going to abroad for treatment in 2022? But because they hate you, that's why they are not doing anything like that. Because they can afford to, they can always afford to take themselves abroad. They can always afford to sponsor their children abroad for whatever they want. And you, a child of nobody, you are thinking that those people still want you, they want good for you. You are still supporting Tinubu. Tinubu can do this. Atiku can do that. Peter Obi can do this. You are just fooling yourself. Share this video. Let it go. Let it go to everybody supposed to get to. Everybody has to wake up now. There's fire on the mountain in Nigeria. Fulani people they have gathered a lot of money. Anybody that was kidnapped in the last 3, 4, 5 years will know how much it cost them to get themselves rescued. When they kidnap you, it's that they'll take at least 5 million from you. Imagine how many people have been kidnapped. Imagine how many stories of people have been kidnapped, have been rescued. In millions. That's how much they demand. Then that money, they are not using it for any other thing. They are using it only to purchase weapons. And when the time comes, I said again, when the time comes, nobody will be able to rescue you. Not even your security. Because your security will even fight for its own life. Thank you.